All right, today's the day. I walked out of biology class because I wouldn't dissect the frog in 9th grade. So 30 years later, 32 maybe, I'm going to dissect the frog for Mrs. Lumberg. So
Yeah, you got it. You're right. It was 32 years.
Woo, woo, woo. I don't know if this is going to be a very good job. In fact, I would have to guess it isn't because I have no idea what to do, but I did look up that you're supposed to do belly up. So we'll start there. I got my notes. I'm ready to go. As you can see, this is the dorsal side, the top part of the frog.
It's a ghost frog.
Yep.
It's Christmas themed.
So clearly you can see this is a frog. I didn't have time. I had to draw it quickly. All right.
No, I think it's beautiful.
Thank you, baby.
This one's.
Thank you.
This looks like a chicken nugget, but that one's awesome.
Thank you, sweetheart. Not gonna lie, very nervous. Oh, gosh. Gotta roll up my sleeves for this one. This is a big job.
You gotta snap the gloves. Beautiful. There's the other one. You didn't do that one. Beautiful.
All right. So first, we're gonna take the scissors and open said frog. All right, so my 12-year-old daughter is gonna read the frog dissection instructions for me because I owe my biology teacher a frog dissection because in 9th grade, I walked out of biology on frog dissection day and said, I'm not gonna do it. And I didn't do it. I went to home ec, and that didn't do me much good either. I'm a horrible housewife. Could have been a surgeon had I just listened to Mrs. Lumberg. So,
yeah,
Mrs. Lumberg,
sure.
This is for you. I'm sure I'm going to do a really good job. The best.
Yep.
But first...
Well, the instructions say for the preparation, you need some safety goggles, but that's fine. We don't have any. We just have a mess on the table without the stuff organized, but, that's fine.
I have safety goggles. Can you give me a minute? They're fogging up. All right, should I cut this open now?
Hold on, wait. Oh.
I'm just excited.
Okay, hold on. Use the scissors. Okay, okay, yeah.
All right, open the froggy. Do you want to name?
Don't cut the frog, though.
I'll try not to.
Also, you're supposed to open it, right there, but it's fine. It's fine. Just do your own
Do you want to name the frog?
I name it Frog.
I thought you were going to name it Billy.
No, I name everything Billy. Actually, just Frog.
Okay, one of these has to go because these are making this fog up.
Wait, what?
My mask is making... I guess it's good because I can't see. All right, I'm gonna... You know what? I ain't gonna eat this frog. I'm gonna go like this. I'll keep the goggles on, throw this way. Kids, don't listen to me. I'm doing it wrong. This is not the proper way.
I don't think there are gonna be many kids watching this. This is disgusting.
I'm gonna make sure I put it not appropriate. Oh my goodness.
She's liking the frog juices?
She's really going to be ashamed. I'm having trouble just getting it out of the package.
Look at these beautiful frog juices.
All right.
So beautiful.
No,
Wow, this camera can zoom.
Here we go.
Beautiful frog juices.
Let's see what it looks like on this side.
Mom, you're supposed to have its belly on the...
I will. But I want to show her that I know what the dorsal is.
The dorsal's just like...
This is the dorsal.
You could show the dorsal without flipping it over.
The dorsal. This is the anterior part of the frog. And this is the posterior part of the frog. And now we're going to flip it over.
Yes, like it should
I'm doing what I can. Oh, do you see my hand shaking?
Yeah.
Come on. Oh, my God.
Are you purposely exaggerating?
No. Okay. Got it flipped over. Okay. So, now that we've got it flipped over, I am going to show you. These are the hind legs. This one's kind of... Gosh, this one...
Mom, that's scissors.
Sorry.
It's not time
The
to
front
cut
limbs,
yet.
he was packaged poorly. All right, get a close-up of this froggy. Let's see what he looks like.
I've given the close-up
All
already,
right.
but like,
So,
all
this
right,
is
I'll
the
show them the juices
Ventral.
again.
This is
Look
the
at
ventral
those
side.
juices.
Yeah, they're juicy, all right.
Yep.
All
This
right.
camera really can zoom in. It's freaky.
Yeah? Okay.
Like right now, I see a bubble on a frog.
Okay, I'm going to do it. I'm going to cut this frog.
Gonna cut this frog.
I don't know.
But you don't know where you're supposed to start.
Oh, tell me what to do.
You gotta wait.
Tell me what to do. 4 limbs to the hind limbs. Now I'm going to turn this bad boy around.
Okay.
Okay. Maybe if I go like this, it will allow me to hold on to the frog.
Mom, no.
What am I supposed to do?
Don't hold it with the tweezers.
What am I going to hold it with?
Just
my
like
hand?
you don't hold it with the tweezers. Just like kind of set the tweezers not open on it.
All right, got it. There we go. Ready?
Sure.
All right. Okay, come on. All right, I'm just going to do it because I'm a
Oh,
surgeon.
Mom.
I got it.
That is not. Mom, that is not
There
the
we go, I
forearm.
got it.
Not too deep.
Oh, that's his neck.
Yeah,
I got
that's
it.
his neck.
Okay, we don't want to hurt him.
He's already dead. I'm sure that he's.
Oh, God dang. Hold on, I'm busy.
What if June came and said, "Oh, those beautiful
Eat it.
juices!
Thank you. Oh, okay, I'm doing it.
Look at those
I'm doing
juices!"
Mrs. Lumberg, I'm doing it. Mrs. Lumberg, I'm doing it. Oh, Jesus Christ. Sorry, didn't mean to take the Lord's name in vain.
Then you carefully peel back the flap of the body.
You have
It's
no
gonna
idea how scared I am.
Mom, the frog isn't gonna explode.
I know, but I might. All right, cool. All right, there we go. Flappity flap flap.
Okay.
There we go. I'm doing it. I'm really doing it.
Carefully
All right.
peel back the flaps of the wall to expose the internal organs.
Yep, I'm gonna do it. It's held. And I don't even, did I not cut deep enough? All right. Oh, looks like I get to cut it again. Haha, lucky me. Hold on, puppies.
I think you're gonna go.
I'm doing an assignment. I'm not, I'm gonna do it good. I'm gonna do a good job. She's gonna be proud of me, Fudge. Oh, look at that. A little liver or something. So here we go. Now I can pull these little things back. There we go. All right, we're gonna get it all over there. Ooh, touched it again.
You're wearing gloves.
Ooh. All right, cool. Now we got this.
Yummy.
I know that these are the livers. There's 3 livers right here. There's 3 livers. You see? 1, 2, 3. Now, I can't promise you that I'll know everything in this frog list.
Moms, don't, if it's not pulling, don't pull it. You examine the internal organs, identify and study structures such as the heart, liver. Yeah, go ahead, cut what you want to cut.
I know that these are the liver. That should give me 5 points right there. I should have kissed him first to see if he turned into a prince.
No, it'd be a dead prince.
Oh, I think that must be the intestine. Right there. I think I'm going to say that's the intestine or something. Okay.
I am gonna say no.
Do I need to, she gonna get mad if I just start moving some stuff around? It's the stomach. It's the stomach. Oh my God, I'm not gonna put it together afterwards. Surgical blade. Oh, there we go. That's nice. Oh, yeah. Oh, that's really tough right there. All right, but I'm gonna take the liver out.
Why are you using it as a saw, Mom?
Because I don't have a teacher.
Oh my God, Mom! Just use the tweezers or something. Oh no.
All right. Here's the stomach. It looks like it just recently ate something. Oh my.
What? Really, Mom?
Should we? I don't want to look in the tummy. Do you want me to look in the tummy?
Mom, oh no.
No. Okay. I
Mom,
won't
you
then.
don't need to do that.
I don't. That's extra credit. I need the extra credit. There's the intestine. Yeah.
What are you doing?
I'm dissecting a frog for my biology teacher,
I don't
my
think you're
favorite
doing it
biology
right.
teacher, Mrs. Lumberg. And there's just some icky stuff. You see the icky stuff there?
Which
right there.
icky
I think that's the fat they were talking about, maybe. Is that the fatty stuff?
I don't know.
All right, so we have the tummy. Should I cut up? I need to cut the tummy open. It's
Oh
extra
my
credit. I
God.
need the extra
No.
credit. There's the liver.
You already got the.
Oh, there's lots of stuff. Oh, there's that stuff they were talking about underneath. I think that's that icky fatty stuff. There's that icky fatty stuff right there. See? It looks like ramen noodles, just like that.
No, we don't need to turn this stuff into food.
Oh, goodness.
I'm never eating ramen again.
All right, do you think that I successfully dissected this frog?
No!
Okay. I guess I'm going for the extra credit. Where's my saw? There it is, my little saw.
It is not a saw.
It's a saw today.
No.
All right, I'm going to take the skin off of the leg here. Just like that. Right over the crotchal area. And
Were you trying to say that as if it was like a really...
Oh, touched the dang thing again.
with your gloves?
I know. All right, and so here we go. This is the muscle underneath.
You didn't fully cut off the layer. You can
I'm
wait.
working on it. There we go. See the muscle? Right there.
I mean, you got to take it off of the leg.
All right, here we go. There we go. Frog legs for dinner.
You got to get it all off, Mom.
I think I got enough off.
No, Mom.
It doesn't. Here we go.
Get it off of the lower part of the
All
leg.
right, I'm working on it.
String by string.
Oh, there we go. I gotta
Oh.
get the saw again.
It is not a... No! Mom!
It's okay. Don't worry about it. It's fine.
You're not doing that right, Mom.
There we go. That's good.
The skin is not that thick.
I know.
What did you cut?
There we go.
Mom, you're stabbing the leg.
Look at how it goes. See? That's how the frog moves his leg.
It is very not movable.
Come on, my darling. Come on, my baby. Come on, my honey pie. I think that's wrong, but it's all I got. This is the muscle.
Okay.
Do you know people eat this?
I didn't want to.
I think that, yeah, that's definitely a bone.
Okay.
See?
You don't need to do that.
Listen, shh. Oh, there we go. Oh, there it is. Look at that. All right. You got that? Oh, there's the tongue. There we go. Okay. And see how the tongue flips? That's how it gets its prey. I got it out. See, there we go. That's good. That's right.
Hold on, look the...
Okay.
Yummy.
All right. Look at. Oh, my word. If I don't pass, I'm going to be so upset. Oh, all right, here we go. See that in there? All right, here's his food.
That is not... No.
Oh, gross. See it? That's inside the stomach. Right there. Oh, I think it was just about to poop. Is this worth at least a D, Mrs. Lumberg? I want to encourage all you kids, when you are supposed to dissect a frog in your science class, do it then when you have your instructor tell you what to do. Don't be like me and do it 32 years later on your own, or you're going to have a mess.
Like this.
Like this. So,
Look at this close-up.
Miss Lumberg, I apologize for walking out of your class and taking home ec and refusing to dissect the frog. If I could go back in time,
She wouldn't
I would
change
do
it.
I would do it. I would do it for you, but I would probably have gotten a D, and I would have been fine with that. So, I love you. You're a wonderful teacher, and I hope you enjoy my video. Ooh, and that's how you don't dissect a frog. Give it a little pat, and we're done.